emakhosati bantu babenkosi mvunankulu emabandla ekweluleka dikhulu lijaji lelikhulu lisekela landvunankulu tindvuna tembuso labamele emave kuleli bacondzisi netindlu totimbili teparlamente lobu kwesigodi salapha elbonjeni longbishophu wemakatholika nelibandla lonke lesibhedlela lobu kwe CEO walapha eGood Shepherd na chairman nema board of trustees nabo bonke labasebenta lapha bafundzi lesitoba busisa namuhla nani nonke batali sinvuselele kunene.
Emakhosikati, Your Royal Highnesses, the Prime Minister, councillors, chiefs, the Chief Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers and members of both Houses of Parliament, the Regional Administrator for the Lubombo region, the Bishop of the Catholic Church, the clergy and the entire church, the Board of Trustees of the Good Shepherd Hospital and College, the CEO, Principal, the Board of Trustees and entire staff of Good Shepherd Hospital, graduates here today, students of this great college, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all here at Good Shepherd College.
Bekunene kuyinkokoto lenkulu ukuthi namuhla sila estegi eGood Shepherd bekunene na sitobona lemisebenzi lehlukahlukene njoba kunetindzawo lapho sitabe sitibusisa khona ema-clinic nabo bonke takhiwo nekuphothula abafundzi njoba namhla nabo naba sesibabonile sebaphothuliwe ebekunene.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, is a great pleasure for me to be here on the inauguration of various projects here in this great college and hospital, in as much as the graduation ceremony of the graduates that have already received and been conferred with the various certificates according to their various programs here today.
Sinemukela nonke kulomcimbi wanamuhla kakhulu batali laba tosekela bona bafundzi nabo lababuya ngaphandle nesive sonke ukuthi nithi vele nemukelekile kulomsebenzi bekunene.
I take this time in welcoming you all here today in this momentous occasion, especially the parents and relatives who have come to support those that are graduating here today and those that are from without our borders who have come to join this great ceremony.
Bekunene kadze ngagcina kufika lapha Good Shepherd semalanga kepha ke siyathokoza ukuthi namuhla nasibuya sibuya iGood Shepherd seyikhulile esigabeni sayo njoba kunetimvo nje lengidawudibusisa namuhla ebekunene.
It has been a while since I have been here. I am glad to note the development that has taken place since my being here in previous years. Today, I shall be inaugurating various establishments right here at Good Shepherd, which goes to show the development that has happened over the years.
Siyathi ukuthi eminyakeni lengcile iGood Shepherd nalamanye ma facilities lengawabhala nje ngiwafanekise njengabo Nazarene omkhuzweni clinic bebanesayela lenkulu esigabeni sekutheni lo msebenzi weGood Shepherd bawusebenza kanjani ikakhulu kubonalisa ukuthi kubonale ukuthi imali dingena kanjani umsebenzi lo njena ufuna imali lefanele lotawukhona nokuthi usebenze kahle ebekunene.
I will recall that when this institution was engaged in development, as we could compare with Nazarene and also the Mkhuzweni Clinic, who also were in need of support from government, which needed structures that could be formed in order to support this great college. I am glad to be here today to see the development that I've since noticed.
Bekunene lokhu lokwendekile kungenxa yokuthi kube nekuhlala phansi nekubukisana ekutheni umsebenzi welive ngoba lo msebenzi weMaswati kuyawuphumelela eMaswati la yoba khona la kuhlala phansi ke kwayo le institution yalapha eGood Shepherd ibambisane nahulumende kube into lenhle kuhlanganiswe imibono nemiqondo kuze kufikwe lapho khona kutawubonakala ukuthi le institution yeGood Shepherd iyaphumelela njengoba siyibona namhla ebekunene.
The achievements of today are as a result of various collaborations, meetings that have taken place over a protracted period, which have indeed resulted in this good partnership that has seen this great institution develop to the state that it's in today.
Bekunene ngitsitena ngisalalela lesinye sikhulumi lapha lebesikhuluma naso sibeka ngesimo ukuthi nisuka kuma debt 170 million namhla sene ku surplus live likhulume nge transformation ukuthi ye 25 ye transformation naku number lapha 5 million now 25 bese uthatha lo 5 uyabona ukuthi cha number la transformation bela ebekunene.
As I was listening to one of the speakers here today, who was eloquently putting to table their journey from the dungeons where they were in debt of over 170 million. Today they stand on surplus of 5 million. The nation has been in talks on transformation and having a transformation agenda. This, I note, is the transformation agenda that we are talking about, and I'm glad to note.
Bekunene nekuva ukuthi kuze kufikwe kule surplus kube ngiko kubambisana kwale institution nelive kungabi ukuthi nangabe kumbe kunetinkinga bese niyahlukana nibantu kepha kuhlala phansi nibambisane nibukisane kugcina kutholakala likhambi kuyinto lenhle kakhulu lena bekunene.
The success that has been well documented is as a result of the unity, the collaboration and discussions that has taken place since these discussions started. I am glad that these discussions have produced meaningful results and the development that we are witnessing here today.
Bekunene le sifisa ukuthi ke ema institutions lamayendi la njengayo iGood Shepherd afune afunze sifundo la ukuthi kuhlala phansi kubeketela kubonisana kuba nema results lamahle laphumako njengoba namuhla nje siwavile lama results ebekunene.
Our desire as a nation is that other institutions similar to this Good Shepherd College and institution could learn and take leave from the success story that we see here today. That indeed dialogue and patience does bear fruit as seen here today.
Bekunene umsebenzi wanamuhla njengoba namuhla silast ovula iOPD bekunene la khona kubonakala ukuthi kube nekuhlangana emkhathisini welive kanye nalamanye ema partners labonakala ukuthi kuze kufike kwakhiwe le OPD lefike yabita imali leng 17 million emalangeni bekunene.
Today here marks a great achievement and milestone in the Good Shepherd institution. We are here to officially inaugurate the outpatient department here in this great hospital, which has been an achievement of funds exceeding 170 million emalangeni.
Bekunene njoba silapha live le Swatini likhokhile imali njoba ngisho ngithi kube ipartnership emkhathisini welive netinhlangano njoba live likhokhe 15 emalangeni bekunene kwathi i-Papal Office Vatican yakhokha 1.6 million emalangeni kwathi loliswati lotsinzekako loyasebenza nemisebenzi lemnyende long AG Thomas naye wakhokha imali leng 200,000 emalangeni kubambisana size sifike kule 17 million kuthi kwakhiwe le OPD la sithi ke asikudumise kakhulu lokho ebekunene.
As I have said, that the institution here has been as a result of various partnerships in the kingdom. The government of the Kingdom of Eswatini has contributed 15 million emalangeni, and the Papal Office of the Catholic Church has contributed 1.6 million, and one generous investor and business person in the kingdom has given 200,000 emalangeni towards this great institution.
Bekunene lo msebenzi we-OPD utawusita kakhulu sive la eLibonjeni kakhulu njoba sifuna onke amadolobha eSwatini akhule ngema facilities la fanele kusabe khona njoba lapha nje kunale sibhedlela sakahulumende kune Good Shepherd njoba naku ne Good Shepherd ikhula nangema facilities kusho kona ukuthi noma ngabe sekunesimo lesinjani lesikhona kulendzawo lapha eLibonjeni senda ukhonakala ekulapheka enine bekunene.
This growth that we see here today is indeed commendable, as we see the facilities here at Good Shepherd increase and expand. It does go to show that the nation here in the Lubombo region will find the needed help at every point in time of need.
Bekunene kanjalo ne eye clinic i-clinic yemehlo bekunene nayo ibonale ukuthi kayihlanganiswe yakhiwe njoba live ukhanza ukuthi timo letinjena tiyaqhamuka njalo ngesikhathi kuyadingeka ukuthi nembala abe khona lama facilities la tawukhona kunakelela leto timo letilikhuni ebekunene.
We have also seen the construction of the state-of-the-art eye clinic here at Good Shepherd. This is an indeed needed facility here in the region and in the kingdom.
Bekunene siyayivumisa ke nayo le clinic yemehlo levele yakhiwe njengoba umsebenzi wayo ubite imali leng-10 million emalangeni ukuthi yakhiwe. Iyabonakala ukuthi vele i-clinic lebonala ukuthi ine equipment lefanele letawukhona ukuthi noma ngangisiphi isimo lesihambelana nemehlo kukhonakale ukuthi kulapheke malula ebekunene.
We do commend the construction of this eye clinic, which has actually taken 10 million emalangeni to construct. This clinic is going to meet every eye sickness demand here in the kingdom and especially in this great region. This is indeed commendable.
Bekunene sithatha lithuba lekubonga ngoba laba hlanganisile bonsumbulwane ukuthi le clinic ize yakhiwe kube khona i-Christian Blind Mission eJalimane kanye ne-Christian Blind Mission eCanada. Laba hlanganisile letimali bekunene esigabeni sekutheni le clinic lena igcine yakhiwe leleta ukhona kulapha emehlo baletha ne-equipment lebonala ukuthi vele i-advanced impela sithi ke asibadumisa kakhulu emsebenzini labawendile bekunene.
We also take this time to thank all the partners that have contributed towards the success of the construction of this state-of-the-art eye clinic here at Good Shepherd. My special thanks goes to the Christian Blind Mission of Germany and Canada, who have contributed various state-of-the-art equipment and services that have been brought here at Good Shepherd Hospital in order to enable this clinic to be the great success that it is today.
Bekunene ngaphandle kwale misebenzi lena lesengiyibhalile le clinic nale OPD le store ibusisa namuhla kube into lenhle esigabeni sekutheni bekunebafunzi nabo lebe bafunza lababonala ukuthi njengoba sikhuluma ngalama facilities lawa nje labusiswako athi ngabafunzi labatawungena basebente bakhone kunakelela sona sive kube into kodwa ke lenkulu ukuthi namuhla kube into yokuqala ukuthi ngito busisa labafunzi lapha lababonalisa ukuthi lapha iSenate babone ukuthi bagraduate nabo sithi asibabongele nekubathumisela nekubahalalisela emsebenzini lomuhle labawendile ebekunene.
Besides the inauguration of the facilities that I've just mentioned, including the eye clinic, it has been a great pleasure as well that on this very occasion, I am here to witness the graduation ceremony of the students that will make use of these great facilities. This is indeed a first here in the college and Good Shepherd Hospital to come and preside over these graduates whom Senate has found worthy of the various certificates that have been confirmed upon them today.
Bekunene ngiko nembala nasitanga lapha siteseta ngalapha labonala we ukuthi hawu labuya lidulu nakubuya lidulu ke kusho ukuthi ibusiso ukuthi emadlodi naNkulunkulu ezulwini bavele bayabusisa njoba kwekuqala kwekuthi sitobusisa igraduation kuyashone kwekuthi ke njoba sekuqala sekusetheke indlela ngoba wonke lofundzako lofikako lapha uyalifisa lithuba lenjena lapho inkosi nesive sonke semaswati bambukele sitoba halalisela nababusiswa ebekunene.
As we were on our way coming for this great ceremony here today, the rain fell. This was indeed a sign that God and our ancestors have indeed blessed this ceremony here today. It is indeed a first, and it has also created precedents for all of us here and witnessing this great ceremony. It is indeed in the heart of every Liswati to have a graduation ceremony presided over by the king and nation at large. So this is a precedent that has been set for future generations to come.
Bekunene njoba silapha sivile nicela ukuthi na ngafanele nangu sale ibonalisa ukuthi iyakhula vele isale ifike esigabeni sekuthi isale iba university yelubombo longana bekunene.
Since my arrival here today, I heard the requests that you have sent forth, that you desire this institution to grow and become a university for the Lubombo region.
Bekunene ngiyakhumbula sise Shiselweni siyeNgwane College sicelo lesinjena naso saqhamuka kwabonakala ukuthi ke njoba nembala naso ndayishintsha si transformer kuthi ibe college sale iba university kunetigaba nembala letibonala ukuthi tifanele tibonaliswe ukuthi tiyalungiswa lokwa itoze ifike kulesigaba sekutheni nasekuthiwa i-university lephelele for Lubombo region konke kube kuphelele onke ama facilities nema expertise latsingekile konke kube kuphelele kahle usengconono ebekunene.
I recall in years past, whilst attending one of the graduation ceremonies in the Shiseli region at Ngwane College, I did receive such a request that proved that there are indeed certain structures that must be put in place to enable an institution to grow and become a university. There are certain expertise and facilities that need to be put in place to enable a college to grow to that status.
Bekunene ngalesi sigaba lesi sekuningi idathu loqina ukuthi kusukela namuhla nje njoba silapha sesivele siyawusebenta siyawugijima kuyawuthiwa ngwe ufikwe e-university lapha eLibonjeni ebekunene.
I assure you that from today we shall continue on our Nkwe agenda in ensuring that this institution is indeed transformed into a university.
Bekunene sijabula kubona bafunzi lebe badimisele njoba iSenate lapha ibabonile kufanele kwekuthi baphothule bathole ema diploma nema certificates lesatiko ukuthi kufika kulesi sigaba kubita udadishe utinike isikhathi ubeketele ukuthi siyabadumisa kakhulu umsebenzi wabo lomuhle labawendile sesivile nalaba bafundzisako laba bakhuluma ngesigaba lesihle ngani banithumisa ukuthi benitiphethe kahle kakhulu nema-talent nemakhono labanikete wona bete nemahloni bane kutigabha ngemsebenzi wenu nathi sesidibonele ke bekunene sise asinithumise kakhulu kulo msebenzi wenu lenwendile.
I take this opportunity to congratulate all the graduates that have graduated here today, as Senate has found you worthy of the various certificates that have been conferred upon you today. I thank you for the patience, the hard work that you have put in your cause of study whilst enrolled here in this great institution. Your lecturers and leaders have spoken so proudly of you and all the achievements that you have so achieved during your course of study here at the Good Shepherd College. They have spoken so well about you unashamedly and confidently, knowing that what talents and studies that have put upon you shall bring the required results in future.
Bekunene siyati ukuthi kufika kwenu nonke kulesigaba la nifike khona kungenxa yokuthi batali bebakhona banisekela bothishela bafundzisi lebebanifundisa batinike isikhathi lesifanele ukuthi nisebenze kahle nabo naze nafika namuhla lapho khona senithola sibusiso bekunene nabo ke batali nabothishela sithi kasibadvumise kakhulu emsebenzini wabo lomuhle esigabeni sekutheni nifike la nifike khona nje kungenxa yokuthi nabo badinika lithuba nelibandla lonke lelisebenta lapha ecollege bekunene.
We know that your achievements would not have been a success had it not been for the support from your parents who have supported you through and through, and for the lecturers and all the staff from here at Good Shepherd Hospital and College who have supported you through and through and dedicated themselves to your learning programs. We do commend all your lecturers and support staff of the Good Shepherd College for all the good work in producing this great and prosperous graduates that we have seen here today.
Kusukela namuhla ke kubo bonke laba bafundzi lebe baphothula sekubathumisela kuthi nesikhathi sesifikile sabo njoba baphothuliwe ukuthi basale bahamba baya eveni lonke eMeswatini la khona bangafike bakhone khona kukhombisa amakhono abo laba wafundzile la kuthi ke ne-industry yonke lekhona eveni sesiniketa nali libutho leliphume lapha Good Shepherd bekunene lelibonalisa ukuthi ling100 libuthisiwe namuhla ngalokufanele kwekutheni labafuna bonesi noma ngibaphi kuleyo care ledzingekile nange ama candidates avele asakhona live aliwathathe liwasebenzise ebekunene.
We take this time to congratulate all these distinguished graduates here today. Your achievements are now in display for all to see, because the time for you now to go into the work environment has come. I therefore produce you and present you to the entire world and kingdom that these are worthy students that have been in this college and are worthy to be admitted for the various appointments and vacancies that are available in the various structures of the kingdom. I therefore command them that please take these students into your shores and they shall perform the duties expected from them.
Bekunene sitfumisile ukuthi naniphuma lapha eGood Shepherd ecollege nithathe sinqumo njengoba nithethe umsebenzi lobonala ukuthi umsebenzi lenikiwo 24 hours 7 la khona kudzinga kunakelelwa sive nasinemikhuhlane noma sinane sigula sidzinga lusito sidzinga luthando kini sidzinga sihawu kini sidzinga wewe ukuthi nibe khona ngaso sonke isikhathi kube betela khona kungathiwa niyekele umsebenzi kubonakala ukuthi kugcine kufika esigabeni sekutheni ligulane letidzinga lusito tingasalithola isito lelingilo ukuthi lesifungo lenisithethe sibe sihle kakhulu niphethe nemakhandlela asho ukukhanyisa ke siyakholwa ukuthi ke njengoba nikhanyisa lamakhandlela ayawukhanyisa live lonke esigabeni sekutheni nasikhuluma ngetempilo sikhulume ukuthi kunakelela impilo kufuneka sikwende kube yi-essential service ebekunene.
As you leave here today, graduates, you have taken an oath of service. This oath that you have taken here today is one that is binding upon your conscience and upon your soul. I therefore charge you as you leave this college, go and work with compassion, work with love and care for all the patients and people that will be brought within your hands. There should be no time or event where you are found wanting, as your duty and work demands you to be there 24 hours 7. There should be no time where you are not found at your duty station, because you are an essential service that must be found at all times by the nation that demands and needs your services and care in the various stations where you will be posted.
Bekunene njoba umsebenzi lomihle lengaka ukhuliswa ema-facilities kuqhubeka nekufundisa abafundi labatawubuya babambe lemisebenzi kusho kona ukuthi live leSwatini liyadinakelela tempilo njengoba vele nembala tempilo sitibeke embili kakhulu ukuthi nembala tiqhubeke tiphakame tindlondlobale njengoba kuba khona lokwanalokwa lokuhle kuqhamuka kepha ke umgomo lomkhulu njengoba nje nasibuka nemaphakelo eveni tempilo tiyabambana dipositi bambane netemfundo njengoba kunetemfundo bese kuba netempilo lokuhamba embili emaphakelweni kukhomba ukuthi impilo siyibeka embili kakhulu ukuthi siyinakelele bekunene konke lokwentekako so lokungito tingomba ukuthi live lawutisekela njalo tempilo ukuthi tindlondlobale kungaba tempilo leti phansi kweliphiko lakahulumende kungaba leti leliphansi kwemameshini konke ngoba wonke lo msebenzi ekugcineni usita eMaswati siyawusekela ngesigaba leufanele bekunene.
The additional facilities here at Good Shepherd Hospital and at this college are a clear demonstration of the priority government has put upon our healthcare services in the kingdom. Healthcare is indeed a priority in this nation, as we all know that health is the number one thing that we must always safeguard and ensure that a healthy nation is a prosperous nation. As we look into our budgets, we do have our health and education budgets at the top of the list, because as a nation, we make sure that healthcare is indeed a priority in the kingdom. Be it public hospitals or mission hospitals, they will be equally supported because they provide services for our nation.
Bekunene sekungaba kukhuthatha sive esigabeni sekutheni lempilo lesinayo la siniketayo nasomandla ufuna ngiloyo naloyo ngamunye ayinakelele kahle bekunene nakunema facilities lasa akhiwe njengedibhedlela ema clinics nako konke lokuhambelana nemtholampilo silithathe lelithuba lekulisebenzisa kakhulu ekutheni sikhone kufinyelela edibhedlela okutemtholampilo kwendele ukuthi ke noma uyagula noma uguli utokhona ukuthi nabe kumbe kukhona lokuqalako usheshe uthole kusesuka ukuthi kukhuthatha sive sitikhuthalele tetempilo sitivakashele hayi ngoba sigula kepha ngeke ukuthi sinakelele impilo ukuthi sonke sifanele sikwende lokho ebekunene.
I would therefore encourage the nation to make your health a priority by making sure that you frequent healthcare facilities in the kingdom. Not because you are sick, but it is important that you do your medical checkups regularly so that early detection of disease can enable the health practitioners to quickly make sure that you are brought back to your good health status. I therefore implore the nation to do medical checkups from time to time in order to maintain a healthy, clear record.
Bekunene nasi lapha eGood Shepherd sithatha nalelithuba lekubonga onke lama teams lasebenzile lapha kule facility eGood Shepherd bekunene siyati ngemdamo yabo leminyenti kuti khandla kwabo kuti misela nekusekela live basebenza umsebenzi lomkhulu lesingade sawubala nekuthi ungakanani basave impilo desive ngemikhuhlane lehlukahlukene kubonalse ukuthi namuhla le facility seyende imisebenzi lemihle nasikhuluma nje kubo malaria live leSwatini latfola indondo lebonalisa ukuthi lihambe embili ngekutreata bo malaria eAfrica ngekwadi ke ukuthi ke la eGood Shepherd ngilavele beyicilonga ngempela sibili setshenziswe kule tinye imikhuhlane lekhona even njoba miyenda imikhuhlane ngiyathatha nje lona lenguthathako ukuthi ke asinidumise nonke nine lenisebenze lapha ngemsebenzi lomuhle ebekunene.
I would like to commend the entire Good Shepherd Hospital and College staff who have always been found in the front line of addressing the burden of disease in the kingdom. I commend your efforts that have been seen in the nation as time has passed. I would also like to thank you for the efforts that you have put in the country that has also gotten us the Malaria Africa Award, which I know Good Shepherd has put a lot of effort in the fight against malaria. This is one disease that I just pick up from amongst many diseases that you cure every day. But I would like to thank all of the staff here for their efforts and contribution in our health sector in the kingdom.
Bekunene kuba khona lapha kutoni niketatfo loqina la eGood Shepherd kuthi live leSwatini yonke imsebenzi nema plans lenawo liyaniva futhi sisemva kwenu sidanisekela ngalokufanele nithole konke lokufanele timfanelo letibonakala ukuthi tiyawikhulisa Good Shepherd ikhule kakhulu ite khona nokuthi isite titukulwane netitukulwane letiyawuvela ebekunene.
Our coming here is for your strengthening and assurance that indeed we shall continue to support Good Shepherd with all the resources that you need in order for you to continue to grow and meet the demands of our future generations, that when they should also come, they will find Good Shepherd Hospital and this great college at the level that is expected.
Bekunene siyatine ukuthi Good Shepherd beyisekelwa ngilolu sonto lelikhulu lema Katolika siyathumisa ke kakhulu kuthi awu emakatolika solo ayachubeka ayawusebenta lo msebenzi lomuhle kakhulu siyathumisa kakhulu kuthi live nilibambise njengoba nilibambisile sidabe sinani nemthandazweni sivile ukuthi kunemkhuhlane kuPope lesimthandazela kona naye ukuthi asheshe elulame bekunene.
The Catholic Church has been a reliable and worthy partner over the years. We take this time to thank the Catholic Church for all the support that it has given to the Good Shepherd Hospital and the institutions that are found right here. Our prayers are always with you, Good Shepherd, and the entire Catholic Church. We also bring our prayers to the Pope, whom we have heard he is not well, for a speedy recovery, so that the church may grow in leaps and bounds.
Bekunene kuta kwethu lapha sekusinete nelithuba kutonivusela la eGood Shepherd nalapha esiteki bekunene sithokozile kakhulu sijabulile nemisebenzi yonke nemidlalo lenendile onke malungiselelo abe mahle kakhulu sitsinako konke lokho asikubonge netethulo lendethulile sibonge kwanze la nithethe khona bekunene.
It has been a great day in your presence here today. We have really enjoyed all the events that have happened here today. We take this time to thank all those that have contributed in making this day the success that it has become. My special thanks also goes to all those that have given the various gifts that has been given to us. May Almighty God bless you for those great gifts.
Bekunene bathi tena bangibikela ukuthi kunemntwana lomusha njengoba lutelwe lapha le eye clinic base bacela ke ukuthi ngilethe ligama bekunene ligama la le eye clinic njengoba sibuke amagama lamahle la ifanele kusho ukutaba yivula amehlo yeMaswati eye clinic bekunene.
As I was coming here today, I've been asked to christen this new baby born here today. I have found a name fitting to our clinic, and our clinic shall be called Vulamehlo Yemaswati Eye Clinic.
Bekunene ngalamagama sengiko sibusise le OPD, sibusise le Vulamehlo Yemaswati Eye Clinic, siphinze sibusise nabo bafunzi lebe baphothulwa namuhla uthi kusukela namuhla sekuvele le ma facilities asavuliwe ngekwemthetho nekwekuthi nebafunzi sebabusisiwe ngalokuphelele lapho bathole khona certificate nema diplomas ebekunene.
With this statement, I'd like to declare that the outpatient department has been officially opened under my hand today, and also Vulame